Denali video 2017. I'm sure everybody's seen the video. Center console latch breaks. If it breaks, go to Harbor Freight, buy $4 or $5 worth of tools. Little pick, some plastic panel poppers, your new latch, your old latch. See what breaks on them? Just junk. It's supposed to work, but it doesn't. Handle doesn't connect. Bought the new handle online. Maybe 5% off. Couple simple tools. Phillips. Oh, what is this guy? T20 Torx. That's it. Panel popped. You can see all the clips. You'll go around your panel popper, popping those panels off. 1, 2, 3. Go to the other side. 1, 2, 3. Hit the front. The panel will pull off nice and easy. There's 3 bolts as this sits. So it's in there. You got 3 bolts. Super simple. See, 1, 2, 3. Got right there. 1, 2, 3. So we'll just put the handle back in. Last bolt. It's good. Quick cleanup. So once again, you see the panels 1, 2, 3. You start out here. This comes all the way off, so it's got to be up. Take your time. Line up everything. Down low, make sure nothing's going to get pinched. Dealer wanted like $500 or something. So there it is once again. Super easy, super easy. $4 in parts. Nothing crazy. Came out of Detroit, Michigan. There it was. That's for 2017 Denali. See if it works a minute later. Still works.